exterior, it's all a digital marketing game. Everybody was wearing suits. Everybody seems to have a big following. And then this is why the network, your network is your net worth. This is why it's good to get into an inner circle like the family office group to build real relationships with other passive investors to invest. To draft your fullback, right? Follow other people that you trust who put their money into somebody in the past and just invest alongside them.
This is a story about a dude named Lane. Then one day he went and tried to rent them out, and then he became one invest domain.
The second follow-up question there, although I'm a accredited investor, I've got plenty of friends and family that want to invest in real estate syndications, but they're not accredited, which I think is unfair. And yeah, I totally agree. These are the guys who need these types of opportunities the most. Problem is, when you come into this world, who do you trust? Because there's big institutions out there that don't have as great returns. They have a lot of investors, and you've got complete newbies that are on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth deal. And then you want to try to find guys with good track records who haven't gone up the sponsor creep and starting to take more as general partners. Who do you trust? Because from the exterior, it's all a digital marketing game. Everybody was wearing suits. Everybody seems to have a big following. And then this is why the network, your network is your net worth. This is why it's good to get into an inner circle like the family office group to build real relationships with other passive investors to invest. To draft your fullback, right? Follow other people that you trust who put their money into somebody in the past and just invest alongside them. So you say, it seems like the best deals are open to accredited investors. I would not agree with that. I would not agree. Though, again, most deals are 506B, open to all investors, pretty much, just sophisticated ones if you're not accredited. But only the minority of deals are blasted out there and accredited investors. And that's why I think this is where you guys get a little bit of what you guys see is a lot of the crowdfunding websites, they act as a broker dealer. And I think there's a lot of, I'm not sold on the whole like certified XYZ crowdfunding website. I think that's a nonsense. All the crowdfunding website is doing is offering a website, and people, they spend a lot of money on marketing and to get people to get to these websites. And they take a big commission and fee off of the top. I've looked into maybe using some of the crowdfunding websites for our deals, but they'll charge me like an arm and a leg to raise capital from investors. And the hard thing is, as the sponsor, I want to build a relationship with investors, because you're not going to get rich off somebody investing once. I want people to invest multiple times. And when I have that middleman in there, the crowdfunding website, I'm just not getting that. So again, that's why another reason, the second reason, other than the fact that it's expensive. And when I say it's expensive, it's coming out of the passive investor's wallet and the general partner's wallet at the end of the day too. But it's just like raising the minimum wage, right? It's going to come out of everybody's wallet to do that. But I guess I don't want to go there. Do you anticipate the SEC relaxing rules on accredited investor status in the future? Like I said, it doesn't matter because most deals are accepting non-accredited investors anyway. You just have to build your network. And when you're asking this question, that's the clear sign that you need to build your network to get access to the majority of deals out there. You're just seeing the stuff that is mass marketed out there for accredited only, taking advantage of the new marketing rules, which came around in the crowdfunding laws. I actually anticipate the SEC getting more stringent on this type of stuff because I think that they want to increase the barrier to entry so they can keep most people trapped in the retail investment market, REITs and other 401k type of products. I also hear them increasing the threshold for accredited status too, but I wouldn't worry too much about it.
This website offers very general information concerning real estate for investment purposes. Every investor situation is unique. Always seek the services of licensed third-party appraisers and inspectors to verify the value and condition of any property you intend to purchase. Use the services of professional title and escrow companies and licensed tax, investment, and or legal advisor before relying on any information contained herein. Information is not guaranteed, as in every investment there is risk. The content found here is just my opinion, and things change, and I reserve the right to change my mind. Above all else, do your own analysis and think for yourself, because in the end, you are the only person who is going to look out for your best interests.